Welcome to my channel. This is Yolissa's Hair Company. I will show you everything that came inside the packet. It came with a brush, also wig caps and eyelashes. Even though I already have eyelashes on, I am wearing individual eyelashes, so that's why my eyes are red today. Wig is a 613 body wave 13x4 wig. The lace is transparent, so that made it very nice. This is also an 18-inch and 180 density, which is pretty full. This is the texture that I like. First, I'm going in with the lace tint. And blonde hair to me is also harsh on my skin tone. I usually will darken the root a little bit, but not today, not for this video. So the first thing we're going to do is cut off the ear tabs. Going in with the lace front glue. I'm going in with the Eben Extreme Hold. I'm not applying too much glue. Going over it with the Eben lace front spray just to give it a better hold, and now I'm just going to press the lace into the glue so it can dry and put an elastic band over it. This is drying and I am going to style this wig. I want it to be a side part. Just so the parting is a little bit flatter and more sleek, I like to go over it with a certain wax. This is the Can2 wax. This works really good on heat. just going over it a few times just to give it a flatter look. And now it's time to curl the hair. I'm using a wand curl. time to cut off the lace. The first thing I regret not doing is putting makeup on the lace. That's the most important part. Just if you're a darker skin tone, it will blend in a little bit more. And like I said, if I put makeup on the lace, it will come out a little bit better. I did put makeup on it after, but I am doing the baby hairs first. A quick tutorial on this hair. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.